Hey guys, let's talk about how to parent objects. First, I'm going to show you a basic example, and then I will show you an example with this character I have set up and how to do it with a bone and on an armature. So let's get into it. I'm going to turn this off real quick just so we can see the basics. So I have these two objects, and let's say I want this sphere with this little knob pointing out to be the control, and whenever I rotate this, I want it to rotate the cube as well. So I can take the cube, then shift and select the object I want to be the parent, press Control P, and then you have your parent options. So I'll select object and keep transformed like this. So now when I take this guy, I can rotate him and the cube will, go with it. I can also grab him and they'll go together, and I can scale him and it'll work fine like that. And these are separate objects, so I can always go in here and edit, inset, extrude, scale, and do whatever I want, and everything will still be parented properly like that. That's how parents work. And if you ever want to clear a parent, select the child object, press Alt P, and you can say clear parent, and then you have the option to clear parent on its own like this, or clear parent and keep transformation. So for instance, if I were to set this guy at a rotation here, and then select him and press Alt P and press clear parent, it will send me back to where I was. Let's undo that. If I press Alt P and say clear parent and keep transformation, it will keep me where I am. Let's undo that one more time. And the third option will inverse basically what's going on like this. It'll sort of flip me in a weird way like that. But anyways, that's the basic parenting options. So now let's hide this, and let's hide the other guy as well and show my character. So I'm gonna go into rendered preview just so we can see a little better. And I have this character, and I'm gonna enter pose mode with Control Tab. I have this IK rig where when I grab this knee, I can go up, and it's supposed to bend forward, and it kind of does that. But when it gets to its pole, which is the knee bone here, once it passes that, it starts bending all wrong. So what I can do is I can take this bone, and I have to go to edit mode for this. So let's Control Tab and press Tab, go to edit mode, select this bone, Control P, keep offset, just like that. Now I can go back to pose mode like this, grab him, and I can move him around, and the bone moves with me, so I'm not going bend in weird funky ways nearly as easily. It works so much better, as you can see, like that. So hopefully that's a quick tutorial on how to do some things, and it helps you out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.